So this is a quick tutorial on how to register for summer reading with Beanstack. So you can go to palisparklibrary.beanstack.org, or you could go to our homepage, palisparklibrary.org, and click on this big yellow summer reading banner. It will take you right to the same page. We also want to let you know that you can use the Beanstack Tracker app to do this all from your phone. So let's get registered. If you are only registering yourself as an adult, you will click the left-hand button. But if I'm an adult registering a child or multiple members of a family, I run the account and I will click here. So I'm going to register myself and my child. First, we'll put in the adult information. Okay, my name is Betsy Ross, and my username, I will create a username. I will put in an email, and this email is so that we can contact you when you have prizes to pick up, or maybe you win your summer reading participation t-shirt. So this is why we will be needing this information, including your phone number and any information like that. Zip code, and make sure I have a password. Now I will enter my child's name. My child is Bob Ross. Funny how that worked out. Okay, and he is 7 years old. He is in 2nd grade and he goes to Palis East. Now, I've just unlocked my first badge. For the children's programs, they will get these cool brag tags, which you will be able to physically pick up at the end of the summer, and they will go on a bracelet or a necklace, and you can show how much you've earned. So, for signing up, he got a brag tag, a coupon reward, and 1 entry for the grand prize drawing. Okay, I don't want to add another child, and I would like to register myself. I am 55. I will not be in school, and the school is not applicable. Now I have just unlocked my program. I don't want to add another adult, and now I'm all set up. So if I look in the top left-hand corner, these are the people on my account. So I'm on Bob, my son's account, 1st and 2nd grade. In these accounts, I can log books to earn prizes and tickets. So let's say yesterday I read a book. I put the title, the author, no review. I could put a review if I want. And now I have 1 book that is logged. I need to read 5 books to get this badge. I can complete different activities as well. Like maybe I will check in on a senior neighbor, and I just got a badge and the tickets. I can use my tickets to enter it into the prizes that I want. I really want to win this Hot Wheels basket, so I will enter it. So we can do all the same things on our adult profile now. We can log reading, complete different activities, and adults have the opportunity to write reviews to earn badges. So this is our summer reading program. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email or by phone at the Palis Park Library. And we are so excited to do the summer reading. Happy reading and have a great summer.